What's up everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Ross McFarlane coming to you from agency 3980, and in this video what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can start to go ahead and make $100 per day using CLICKBANK, using native ads on MGID. So as you can see, I've got the computer right here in front of me. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive straight in and let's get started. So here we are here inside the computer, and as you can see we're inside one of the agency CLICKBANK accounts where we just started driving traffic again back on Saturday the 9th of October. You can see here that we're starting to get some consistent conversions. This is on one of the agency accounts, and I know you guys love to see all these different things because we've always got the internet police jumping out here. So I'll switch this about, affiliate vendor, and you can obviously see that these bars don't change because this is our bars on our account. And also what I'll do is for the internet police, because we know we always get those comments, what we'll do is I'll refresh the screen just to show you that I'm actually here within one of our accounts. This is an account that we started, a campaign that we started driving traffic to this account recently, and as you can see, we started getting some consistent conversions and we're optimizing this campaign at this moment in time. So now what we'll have to do is we'll have to go and show you how you can start generating $100 a day on CLICKBANK using native ads. So what do we need? Well, what we need in place is the right offer, okay? So when we're finding the right offer, there are three main verticals within, and what I'll do is I'll take you over to the marketplace while I'm doing this. There are three main verticals within the internet marketing space that command or have, like I like to think of it like a triangle. Like, so you've got health, wealth, relationships. So these three perform well 12 months of the year. They are not seasonal like other offers can be, but those are the three main verticals that do well within the internet marketing space. They are the most competitive, but they are the most competitive because they convert the most. So health being Nutra, because everyone wants to be more healthy, everyone wants to lose weight, have better skin, better hair, maybe like myself, and that all want to solve like chronic diseases, chronic pains, and all these different types of things. So health 100% works 12 months of the year. Wealth, that's stuff like crypto, forex, make money online, lead gen. So that's a lot of that stuff. So that's a really big one as well. And then of course we've got relationships, which is health, wealth, relationships, which is dating. So everyone wants to find that perfect partner in their lives, and then so everyone wants to. So we've got like dating apps and all these different relationship types of things, and those are the three main verticals. Now within native, there is other verticals that do really well. Stuff like e-com, lead gen, app installs, all these different types of things that do really well within native. But those three verticals, if you did want to get started as a beginner, those are the three main ones that I would pick from to get started with. Probably more on the Nutra side, because make money online can be a bit more expensive, shall we say, if you're a beginner. But anyway, how would you go about and find the right offer? Well, simply what you do is you come to CLICKBANK, head over to the marketplace like I have now, and if you want to see the top performing offers, like just generally on CLICKBANK as a whole, just click on this button here and it's going to give you the top performing verticals, top performing offers within CLICKBANK. So you'd have a look through, but basically what you'd want to do is you'd want to head over to the marketplace, and first you'd want to pick your niche. Okay, so what am I going to promote? Am I going to promote health, wealth, relationships? Am I going to do a lead gen type of offer? Am I going to do e-com? And once you've kind of got that sorted out, which can be tailored to your traffic source, which I will touch on later in the video, so make sure to stick around, is what you would do is if you want to find anything to do with, like, of course, anything to do with crypto, make money online, you're going to go to business and invest in. If you want to do anything to do with Nutra, which is probably the most popular, especially for beginners, vertical, you would go over to health and fitness. And if you are looking for love, or you want to help someone find some love, then you would go over to self-help, and that's where you've got all the dating stuff. So the next thing that we need is we need the right lander. If we're going to be running native advertising, we'll have to have the right lander in place. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to head over to our landing page builder, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can find the right lander, all the details that you need to know, all the conversion rates, basic click-through rates, and we'll touch on everything that we need to know. So I'll see you there. So here I am here, I'm in the landing page builder that we use within the agency, and the landing page builder that we use is called Landerize. Now, Landerize is within the Debrew platform. If you want to find out more about the Debrew platform, it gives you everything that you need if you're running an affiliate marketing business. I won't go into all the details, but what I will do is I'll leave a little link in the description below. If you do want to find out more about Debrew and what everything that Debrew has to offer, it is going to have everything that you need for running your affiliate marketing business, like a landing page builder, which is absolutely crucial in order for running your native advertising campaigns. So, like I said, what we need is, the right landers. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to head over here and we're going to go to landing page templates, all right? And so let's say, for example, we've picked our offer, okay? Now, most CLICKBANK offers are going to be like, say, VSL offers, or some of them could be like direct offer pages and all these different types of things, okay? So what we need to do then, we need to bear that in mind. We need to know which type of offer we're running. So what I'll do is I'll filter by traffic source and I'll go to native, okay? And what I'll do is, let's just say, for example, we're doing Nutra, okay? And then what it's going to do is it's going to give me the 14 available templates that I can use. Now, here we go. Here are the main landing pages that we can use for native advertising. Okay, so we've got a one-click VSL, which is this one here and this one here. Simple layout, simple headlines, big image, not a lot of body copy. Just basically what you're looking to do is, with these landing pages, is what you're looking to do is basically just get the click. You want to have a coherent flow going from your image through to your lander onto your offer page, but these are basically going to be these ones here, which I'll go and quickly dive into. These ones here are more for higher click-through rates. So for tier 1 traffic, you'd want to be getting above 30%. But bearing in mind, with higher click-through rates, it does mean that you're going to get probably a lower conversion rate. Okay, now the reason being is because you're not doing the pre-selling on the offer on your pre-lander, on your bridge page. The pre-selling is being done on the VSL, the video sales letter that you're driving traffic to. So that's why when you're running VSLs, you want a high click-through rate, and you don't want a low conversion rate. You obviously want the highest conversion rate possible, but you're going to get a lower conversion rate. Okay, so what you would do is, you'd had your offer, you would just go here, and I'll just call this test lander 1. You would just create. And what you would do is you would go into the landing page builder, and then what you would do is you would just make all your edits. Now, what I like to do is, when I'm running traffic on native, what I'll do is I'll look at my offer and I'll dive deeply into my offer. And what I'll do is I'll find all the angles that they're using. So I'll maybe go into the resources page and check out all the email swipes, or maybe what I'll do is I'll watch the VSL all the way through and I'll take notes, and I'll just see like, okay, well, this is going with this type of angle, and okay, I can use that, I'll use that, and maybe get some creative images and stuff, creative ideas of what I can use. And what I would do is I would just simply go ahead and make my edits. So this one here is obviously for a diabetes offer. So, but if this was for a weight loss offer, I maybe just want to throw like a before and after image in here, and change it up and put a play button on here. And then what I do is I just change out my body copy, not too much, and then I just keep the layout, change all my links, and save, and then I'd publish, and then I just exit that editor. Now, another one that you can use, which is a simple one-click VSL lander, is this one here. So I'll just call this test lander 2. So this is another layout, one that within the agency, what we do is we split test different landers now. I actually prefer this one, to be honest. I think it's more like for desktop traffic. I always think it performs better on desktop traffic. It feels to me, this is just personal preference, but it feels to me more like a news article, this type of layout. That's why I prefer this one, and I always have preferred this one, and it has always performed better for me when running native campaigns. So again, you would just do the same. I really like this medical thing here that it's got. It really gives Stamps a bit of an authority on this landing page. So like you can see here that the body copy is tying into this image, so it all makes sense and it's all congruent. It's talking about how the medical and pharma and all these different types of things, and it's tying into this image. And as you can see here, we've got the play button, which is standing out. So one thing that I maybe would do with this is maybe put a border around this image, or I'd maybe put a play button in there to make it more stand out and know that this image is clickable. And then obviously I would just do my edits. I would just change my whichever type of offer I was running, I would just change and make my adjustments as needed. And then the next type of lander that we would be running is, say you were not running to a VSL, you were just going to an offer page, okay? So then what you'd want to do is, you would want, I said I was in the Nutra niche, didn't I? So we'll stick with Nutra. So then what you'd want is you'd want an advertorial type landing page. Okay, so what's an advertorial type landing page? So it's exactly what it is. Now this is an advertorial that looks like an advert. That looks like it looks like a blog post basically. It's just like a news article. It's exactly like a news article, okay? Now what it is obviously you're going to have your advertorial, which is we want that as small as possible for our audience. And this is pre-framing your audience through to the offer page, okay? So with this one, you're expecting a much lower CTR. Even sometimes if you're running tier 1 traffic as low as 2%, but you could be looking at conversion rates of 10% plus on advertorial style landing pages. Once you've optimized your flow, once you've got everything in place, once you've optimized your images, your headlines, your landers like I'm doing right now, once you've got everything optimized, you've optimized your widgets, you're in the scaling phase. We run 3 different phases within our agency and our teachings and our coachings. We run testing, optimizing, scaling. So when it gets to the scaling phase, the conversion rate globally on a campaign can be insane when you're using advertorial type landers, because if you're the user, you've clicked on an image, you're landing on this lander here. Now what you're doing is you're pre-framing your audience. So you've got cold traffic coming in, you're reading this lander, okay? You're going all the way through, you're being pre-framed, you're making those micro commitments, those yes, I agree with this, I'm seeing all these problems, I'm seeing the solutions. And by the time they get to the bottom, they're red hot buyers. That's by the time they get to the bottom of this advertorial type landing page. So that's why the conversion rates can be higher. Now, with the conversion rates being higher, it doesn't suggest more profits because you've got more volume going through the other ones that I mentioned here. So it's all relative to what you're running. So like with these two, the one-click VSLs, higher volume, lower conversion rates, but it all evens out with the profits. This one here, less volume, higher conversion rates. So it evens out. So say for example, I'm going to try and do some quick maths here. Say for example, you've got 1,000 visits, which is 1,000 clicks on your image. You've got a 50% landing page CTR, which is then giving you 500 clicks going through to the offer with a 1% conversion rate. That's going to give you 5 conversions per day of your 500 clicks. And then here with the same 10,000 visits that you're getting on your lander, you would then have, say for example, you would have a 10% CTR, for example, which would then give you 100 clicks to the offer. But then with the I'll do that maths again because I made a mistake. So let's say for example you've got the same 100 visits that you did off these 2 landers on this one. You've got a 5% landing page CTR, which is giving you the 50 clicks, but with the 10% conversion rate, that again is 5 conversions. So with these both styles, you're getting the exact same amount of profits. It's just obviously the metrics look different within your funnel. It's just how they're being pre-framed. So the next thing what we need to look at a traffic source. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and look at a traffic source. So here we are back on the 3 things that we need for making $100 a day on ClickBank with native ads, especially on MGID, which is what this video is specifically tailored to. Now, how would you find the right traffic source? Okay, so there's multiple different ways on which you can go and find your right traffic source. So you can look on Spy Tools, okay? You can go ahead and do that, which I will be doing another video on later in the future, so make sure to stay tuned on the channel for that, as I will be going into that and diving more deeper into that. Another thing that you can do is you can go into something like Volume DSP. You can go and check out what you can do is you can use the filter on the DSP planner, and you can check that you can check which offers work best with this traffic source. You can chat to your account managers, you can chat to your affiliate network account managers also. You can chat to affiliate friends. You can also read blogs, read forums, and go and find out best traffic sources that way. But the best thing what you can do is, especially when you're running direct traffic, which you want to be doing because you're going to get more reach at cheaper costs and it's going to give you more scalability, so we'd always recommend run direct, is you could just basically go over to the homepage, just go over and just find out. Now, MGID, what most homepages will tell you is the top verticals, and one thing that MGID does not do is tell you the top verticals that they run, because we will be advertising, of course, and if we scroll through here, it doesn't actually give you, it does give you all their top publishers, but it doesn't actually give you the top verticals. Now, we recommend within the agency running with MGID because they have such a wide range of traffic. They are very, very responsive. They've got a great support team and they've got really cheap clicks. and they've got a decent amount of traffic as well, with a decent quality of traffic. So we do always recommend running with MGID, especially if you're a beginner. But that is basically the main thing that you would do, is you would just head over to the homepage and you would just check and have a look and check which is the top performing verticals. You could even go ahead and get signed up and just ask the account managers or ask the little chat bubble here and say, what's your top performing verticals? Find out from there and then go ahead and pick your offer from there. So that's basically how you would go ahead and find your best traffic source. But that's basically it. That is, I was going to actually add something on there, but there's nothing else to add on, because that's basically the best way to go and find your best traffic source for your offer. So that's the 3 things that we need for you to go ahead to start to make $100 a day on ClickBank with MGID using native ads. If you've got any comments, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to like, make sure to share, make sure to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.
Now, just before you go, I just want to share this unique and huge opportunity for you if you're interested in native ads and you want to scale your business to the next level by using native ads. Now, what you can go ahead and do is take this unique opportunity and book in a free strategy call with myself or anyone from the agency. Will pick up the call. You just click the link in the description below, you fill in a little form, and that will take you through to your free strategy call. And on the call, we can assess your business, see where you're at, and how we can help you take you to the next level and profitability with native advertising. So if you want to go ahead and do that, make sure to click the link in the description below, and hopefully I'll be chatting to you very soon.